what's up guys, this is Theo here and welcome back to another video here at Free Code Camp Responsive Web Design Certification. We are on CSS Flexbox lesson 3, so let's go ahead and get started. So in this lesson, what they're asking us to do is using the flex property to wrap a row or a column. So these are the different options. No wrap, which means we don't want it to wrap. This is the default. Wrap and wrap reverse. So pretty intuitive, so let's get started. So add the CSS property flex wrap to the boxing container, give it the value of wrap. So we're going to say flex wrap, and this will wrap all of our columns like that. And we can also give it a wrap reverse property. So now black should be first. Or not, let me say, might have had that wrong. Blue, if these wrap, then 3, and then let me just look at it one more time. Wrap reverse, purple, blue, yeah, right, so these are going on the bottom, okay. Okay, cool, good to go. Let's go ahead and run this. All right, let's go to the next challenge. And next one, use the flex shrink property. So flex shrink, when it's used, it allows an item to shrink if flex container is too small. Item shrinks the width of the parent's container. All right, so it takes many values, and so add the CSS property flex shrink to box 1 and box 2. And so what we can do is give flex shrink a value of 1 and flex shrink a value of 2. And we can sort of see what goes on there, and we can sort of see how they shrink as this gets bigger, right? We can give this a value of 5, and we can sort of see it gets smaller and smaller as we go. So kind of cool. Let's go ahead and run this, and let's go to the next challenge. We're going to use flex grow, so in the opposite direction, how we want them to grow proportionate to its container. So let's go ahead and give box 1 a value of 1. Flex grow, and we'll say 1. And now we'll say flex grow, and we'll say 2. And now we can sort of see if we expand this, it gets bigger and bigger proportionally. Cool, let's go ahead and run that. Number 3 and number 4, use the flex basis property. Okay, so flex basis will allow us to basically specify the initial size of the items. Okay, so add the CSS property flex basis to both box 1 and box 2. Give box 1 a value of 10 EM. So say flex basis, we'll say 10 EM. Okay, and you can sort of see as we bring it up, it's going to get bigger. All right, so basically how big we want the flex shrink and flex grow, or like the initial size. And we can give this one flex basis 20 EM. We can sort of see as bring it up, it scales proportionally. Okay, let's go ahead and run that. Number 4, and finally number 5, use the flex shorthand property. So the shorthand will be flex grow, flex shrink, and flex basis. Cool. All right, and the default values are 0, 1 auto, which means 0 for the flex grow, 1 for the flex shrink, so shrink proportionally, and auto for flex basis. Basically, just like giving it a width of auto. All right, so add the CSS property flex to both box 1 and box 2, and what we're going to do is go 2 to 150 pixels, and this one we're going to give it flex 150 pixels. Cool, and that should work. Good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and as always, leave me some feedback. Look in the description box for the courses I recommend, and be sure to buy them if you're interested, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.